Good day, students. Today in English we will study a new lesson, lesson number 4. Open your English textbook to lesson number 4, a visit to grandfather. Page number 26. A visit to grandfather. Write on top CW and today's date. This is the warm-up activity. Listen to these animal sounds. Color the animals you hear. You have to color these animals. These are the animals which you see every day and you have to color them, and you should know the sounds of these animals: cow, duck, cat and sheep. Now read the lesson with me. Hooray! Today is Saturday. Today is Saturday. आज Saturday है. I am going to grandpa's house. I am going to my grandpa's house. I am in the car. मैं कार में हूँ. Mother is driving. Mother कार चला रही हैं. Soon we reach grandpa's house. And जल्दी से हम grandpa के घर पहुँच गए क्योंकि next day it is Sunday. I run to grandpa. मैं अपने grandpa के पास भागा. He hugs me. वो मुझे प्यार कर रहे हैं. He says, hello Poonam. Grandpa has a big garden. So grandpa is saying hello Poonam. And grandpa has got a nice big garden. This you can see in the pic. Garden. Poonam is running to grandpa. A duck lives there. You can see the duck in the pic. Hello duck, I say. Quack quack says duck. Now what is the sound of duck? Duck's sound is quack quack. So she says, Poonam says hello to duck and duck says quack quack. Grandpa also has a cat. There is a cat also. Here the cat is. His name is Bilbo. His name is Bilbo. He is my friend. Hello Bilbo, I say. So she says, Poonam says hello to Bilbo also, and Bilbo is a cat. Turn the page. Meow meow says Bilbo. Now Bilbo is a cat and the sound made by cat is meow meow. We go for a walk in the garden. So Grandpa and Poonam, they both are taking a walk in the garden. Grandpa walks with a stick. You can see the stick. Grandpa is walking with the help of a stick. I hold his hand. Bilbo chases duck around the garden. So Poonam is holding the hand of Grandpa. See, उसने Grandpa का हाथ पकड़ रखा है पूनम ने, है ना? Bilbo chases. Bilbo भाग रहा है किसके पीछे? Duck के पीछे. We sit on the grass. हम ग्रास में, घास में बैठ जाते हैं. We sing songs. हम गाने गाते हैं. Bilbo and I love Grandpa's songs. Grandpa loves singing. So he is singing songs and Bilbo and I love those songs. Oh no, it is time to go home. Now she is saying now it is time to go home. I want to be with Grandpa, but she wants more time to spend with Grandpa, Bilbo and Duck, and also with Bilbo and Duck. We will come again on Saturday, says mother. पूनम की mother कह रही है हम next Saturday we will come again. हम वापस आएंगे. Oh yes माँ, please. वो कह रही yes माँ, again next Saturday we will come. Thank you grandpa, bye. So she's saying bye to grandpa. Bye Poonam. Grandpa is saying bye Poonam. So understood the lesson? Very nice, sweet story. Now we will do the complete these sentences. Now we will do comprehension A part. Complete these sentences. First one, Poonam goes to meet grandpa every Saturday. So every Saturday she is going to grandpa. Second, grandpa's house has a big garden. Garden. Third, grandpa has a pet cat and a duck. C-A-T, cat, D-U-C-K, duck. Question answers, I'll send you the PDF. Now, small exercise. Know your values. You know what are values? The moral values which you learn to help others, to respect others, to respect elders, to share your things with others. All these are the moral values. So here also in this incident we will learn moral values. An old woman needs to cross the road. एक old lady है, उसको road cross करनी है. To reach the bus stop, because bus stop is across the road. What can you do? आप क्या कर सकते हो? Tick right what you will do to help. जो आप हेल्प करोगे उस वाले पॉइंट पे टिक करना. फर्स्ट वन, कंटिन्यू प्लेइंग एंड नॉट हेल्प. आप खेलते रहोगे, हेल्प नहीं करोगे. नो, सो पुट अक्रॉस यू विल हेल्प, इजंट इट. हेल्प द ओल्ड वुमन टू क्रॉस द रोड. आप उसकी हेल्प करोगे ओल्ड वुमन टू क्रॉस द रोड. राइट. थर्ड, आस्क अदर फ्रेंड्स टू हेल्प द ओल्ड वुमन. आप दूसरे फ्रेंड्स को हेल्प करने के लिए बुलाओगे. नो, you yourself will help. Wait for other people to help the old woman. आप वेट करोगे कि दूसरे लोग आके ओल्ड वुमन की हेल्प करें. नो, आप खुद हेल्प करोगे. सो दिस वन इज द राइट आंसर. नाउ वी कम टू grammar part. Look at these pictures and words. My name is Rita. I am 5 years old, just like you. Small girl of 5 years. Raj, you are funny. I am Jeet. This is Riya and Neha. We are friends. Sometimes we do not repeat the naming word. Yes. We use we. हम बार बार नेम नहीं रिपीट करते हैं. जीत, नेहा, रिया. We always say we. राज, you. बार बार हम राज नहीं बोलेंगे. फिर my name is Rita. Rita is talking about herself, so he will use I. We use other words in place of them. हम दूसरे words use करते in place of them. The words I, we and you are used in place of naming words. Naming words noun होते हैं. Instead of that speaking again and again, we use I, we and you. So I is Rita. I is used with am. You is Raj. You is you and we use are for plural. We, again plural for Jeet, Riya and Neha, more than one. Okay. Read these sentences. So say who or what the word in color is about. My name is Kunal. I am in class 1. So I is used for Kunal, isn't it? I is used for Kunal. बार बार कुणाल नहीं यूज हो रहा है. Second, Sarah, you can sit there beside Diya. So you is used for whom? For Sarah. So write down here Sarah. Okay. Third, Hamid and I are in class 1. We are friends. Now we is used for whom? For Hamid and I. Okay. Fourth, the teacher asked Justin, do you have a pencil? Teacher is asking Justin, do you have a pencil? Now you is used for whom? It is used for Justin. Justin. Okay. Fifth one, my name is Ravi. I have a cat. Now I is used for whom? For Ravi. R-A-V-I. Now B part, complete each sentence with the correct word. My name is Vinod and this is my sister. So for Vinod and for sister, what will be used? We. We are reading a book. See, both of them are sitting and reading a book. More than one, we. If you are alone, then I is used. My parrot likes to talk a lot. I is used. Say hello to her every day. I say hello to her every day. To whom? To parrot. So I is used because You are talking only about yourself. एक जने के बारे में. Third, Komal can read the story on page 43. So we नहीं आएगा ना. कोमल can you. एक जने से पूछ रहे हैं तो you. Next, fourth, my name is Dana. Love the rain. Only one person is there, so I will be used. I love the rain. Turn the page. Fifth one, Mark plays cricket. Played well today, says mother. Mother says that you played well. Only one person, so again you. Okay. Now write the correct word under the pictures. Now these are the pictures given with the expression. And this is the help box given to you. इसमें से आपको feelings लेके add करनी है. The correct word. Now see, both are laughing. This one is crying and this one is laughing. For this, sad is written. So for this, what will we write? Happy. Happy. Now this one is walking slowly. So slow we have written. But this one is running. This boy is running. So we will write fast. Now here the sun is shining and it is hot. So we will write hot. But here this person is wearing woolen clothes. This boy is wearing woolen clothes. So it is cold season. Now this is grandma, old. So we will write old, and this is a small young girl like you. So young we will write. These are the opposites. Okay, sad, happy, slow, fast, hot, cold, old, young. You have to learn these opposites with spellings. And turn the page to page 34. Look at this picture and complete these sentences. ये picture आपको देखनी है ढंग से, अच्छे से, और फिर ये sentences complete करने. How? The red light is on. Some cars are waiting at the traffic light. Now red light on है, you can see the traffic lights. तो some cars सब अपनी अपनी जगह पे wait कर रहे हैं. I can see a big lorry at the traffic light. बड़ी वाली lorry हमको दिख रही है at the traffic light. There is a red car and a green. Green is also a car on the road. C-A-R. I can see a man on a blue scooter. देखो ये blue scooter पे man है. So what you will write? Blue scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Scooter. I can see two people. Can you see two people? Where are they? I can see two people. So there are two people more here. Very small, but you can see. P-E-O-P-L-E. P-E-O-P-L-E. I can see the dash. This is the policeman. P-O-L-I-C-E-M-A-N. Policeman. He holds up his hand to stop the traffic. उसने अपने हाथ ऊपर कर रखे हैं, होल्ड कर रखे हैं हैंड्स टू स्टॉप द ट्रैफिक. 35. Arrange the words in the correct order. As I had taught you in the noun chapter, ABCD के ऑर्डर में आपको वर्ड्स को अरेंज करना है. So A, apple will come first, then B for bag, then C for cap, then D for doll, E for ear, F for fan, and G for gate. So you have to arrange it in your ABCD order. Okay. Thank you.